And speaking of treasure, this one might be our biggest one yet. The top 5 strongest are back. Tonight we're gonna draw all the top 5 strongest combined into one. Either that or this is just a fusion of Budo and Yoshido. The top 5 strongest have always been the strongest in the multiverse. The first time I saw those top 5 strongest was on a episode where I first saw this small manga where the Mighty 3, Mighty 4 have been first revealed. Goku came to the Grand Minister with one question to ask who is the strongest in the multiverse warriors that he's never seen before. And if he did it, he would ask one of his friends to cook him something very delicious. He would cook something delicious for the Grand Minister and give it to him. He might find it delectable. And just like that, they travel to these special gates that show off the top 5 strongest and where they live, calling upon the top 5 strongest from the Fire Realm, also known as the Dragon Realm. Summoning number 5 was Budo. In the first manga that I saw, his body design was red. He had a warm, fiery aura that surrounded him. In the reboot version, his body design was gold. The second one was Akuma, who was from the Banished Dimension. He was an assassin and a wizard when it comes to magic. Akuma basically looked purple in the original, where in the new reboots, his body design was clear as glass. Which was kind of interesting if you ask me. It feels kind of amazing to see a glass-like body of a fighter you've never seen before. If you take my advice, if you were to draw the top 5 strongest, make sure one of them has a glass-like body. Anyways, the next one was Yoshido. In the anime, in the original, his body design was the same. They were both magnetic, both hanging above each other. Yoshido was intrigued to see the 5 of them together, even though they said hello. The last one was Takira, which I was kind of ticked off about. Unreal Gaming changed his body design. He was supposed to be an angel who was the first one to master Ultra Instinct, where in the reboot, his body design was purple, with an extra eye. I mean, ew! And ranking at first place was the one and only Grand Minister, who had a supreme battle form. The Grand Minister is basically the strongest of all beings, minus the first god, and Zeno. Anyways, the supreme battle form of the Grand Minister makes him the strongest. We were promised that Goku would be the one to fight the Grand Minister at late summer, but unfortunately that changed when he had to fight against Omega Koliza and help Vegeta save Earth once again. But on the plus side, we got to see a new transformation involving Cooler, also known as Platinum Cooler. And we get to see Black Frieza again. We get to see the two of them combined. Holy cow. Another thing is that we get to see we get to see the fusion take on a new form. They called it Omega Cooliza. I was all like, wow, that looks like Lord Archon. And I knew it was a good idea to put him on my series. I still have yet to draw the original version of Cooliza, even though you already saw the one that is yet to come. There we go. Let's care of that. No, you can't see it, but... Now we draw the Omega Shenron tail. Now here's the tail that Budo has. To be honest, in secret, I think he was actually training Goku. Now there's only one last thing to draw, and that's the other Spike here. There he is. To be honest, seeing the strongest to go head-to-head with Goku, it took Ultra Instinct to a whole other level. Ultra Ego and Ultra Powered. I mean, Goku literally turned into an angel thanks to them. They've given him hope. The first time I saw these guys, Goku wanted to thank them for their appearance. And he told them that because of them, they've given him the confidence and courage to become stronger. Making Budo smile. That helped Budo smile. Everyone was intrigued. Hoping Goku will one day face them in combat one day. And guess what? He did. He did get to fight him. You get to fight all four of them. One of these days, he's gonna battle the Grand Minister. And soon, he might get the chance to battle the Omni King. I hope one day we'll get to see his true Supreme Battle form. I bet it's like the one in Anime Wars. Anyhow, that's all for now. That's how you draw the fusion of all four of the top strongest. Or at least Yoshido and Budo. Let me know what fighter you want me to draw next in the Dragon Ball universe. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night. And until next time, Dragon Cannon!